In this video, you'll learn how to configure the social settings in the WordPress SEO plugin in order to share your content on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Google+. First, you'll want to let Google know about any social profiles you might have on these popular networks. Simply enter the URLs for your profile on each social network, then save your changes. The remaining tabs on this panel enable you to configure how your content will appear when someone shares one of your posts or pages on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, or Google+. Now, unless you're using another plugin that already outputs Open Graph data for Facebook, you'll want to leave this option checked. This adds the metadata that Facebook and Pinterest needs in order to share your titles, descriptions, and featured thumbnail images when people share your posts. Next, click the Add Facebook Admin button while logged into your Facebook account. This will allow the WordPress SEO plugin to detect your Facebook user ID and provide statistics about your website inside Facebook. It's likely you have more than one image on your homepage, particularly if your front page is a blog. So here you can specify which image, default title, and description should be used whenever someone shares a link to your homepage. Likewise, you can specify a default fallback image to be used if a particular post or page doesn't contain any images. Twitter cards are a great way to share your content on Twitter because they include a large image, the title of your blog, and even go beyond the 140-character limit to include your article's description. First, enable the option to Add Twitter Card Metadata, and then choose either the Summary view or a summary with a large image as your default card type. As we mentioned earlier, Pinterest uses Open Graph metadata just like Facebook. So to share your content on Pinterest, first make sure you've enabled Open Graph metadata on the Facebook tab. Then you'll need to verify your site with Pinterest. To do so, visit your Pinterest account and click Edit Profile. In the pop-up window that appears, enter the URL for your website and click the Verify Website button. Now, simply copy this meta tag, then switch back to your WordPress site and paste the meta tag into this field. Save your changes, then return to Pinterest to complete the verification process. And finally, to share your content on Google+, first, enable the option to add post metadata for Google+. Then, if you have a Google+ page for your business, you can paste that URL here. You'll also need to go to your Google+ page and add a link from there to your website in order to complete this loop. With these social options in place, you'll be ready to share your content on all the most popular social networks.